Welcome back to Grammar Grade 7. This is Unit 6, Lesson 40, and our unit is all about prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. Today we take a closer look at prepositional phrases and discover something surprising. A whole phrase can quietly do the same job as a single describing word. Once you see it, you'll spot these phrases doing the work of adjectives and adverbs all over your writing. Let's get started. So what does today's lesson mean? You already know a prepositional phrase is a preposition plus its object, like on the corner or before dawn. Here's the new idea. A whole prepositional phrase can do the job of a single describing word. Sometimes the whole phrase works as one adjective, describing a noun. Other times the whole phrase works as one adverb, describing a verb. One little phrase standing in for a single describing word. Let's meet both jobs up close. Let's start with the adjective phrase. An adjective phrase is a prepositional phrase that describes a noun or a pronoun, exactly like a one-word adjective would. It answers the same questions an adjective answers. Which one, or what kind? Think about the house on the corner. The phrase on the corner tells us which house we mean, so it is doing an adjective's job. Because the phrase is describing a noun, we call it an adjective phrase. Let's picture it. The house on the corner is old. The noun is house, and the phrase on the corner points right back at it. Ask, which house? The one on the corner. See how the arrow runs from the phrase to the noun it describes? When a prepositional phrase leans on a noun like this, it is an adjective phrase, plain and simple. Now the adverb phrase. An adverb phrase is a prepositional phrase that describes a verb, an adjective, or an adverb. Just like a one-word adverb, it usually tells when, where, or how. Take, we left before dawn. The phrase before dawn tells us when we left, so it is doing an adverb's job. Because the phrase is describing a verb, we call it an adverb phrase. Let's picture this one too. We left before dawn. The verb is left, and the phrase before dawn points right at it. Ask, left when? Before dawn. The arrow runs from the phrase to the verb it modifies. When a prepositional phrase leans on a verb like this, telling when, where, or how, it is an adverb phrase. So how do you tell the two apart? It comes down to one simple move. First, find the whole prepositional phrase. Then ask a single question. What word does the phrase describe? If it points to a noun or a pronoun, it is an adjective phrase. If it points to a verb, an adjective, or an adverb, it is an adverb phrase. The word the phrase points to decides everything. Here's something that really locks it in. The very same phrase can play either role, depending on the word it lands on. Look at these two. The class in the morning is full. Here, in the morning describes the noun class, telling which class. So it is an adjective phrase. Now, the class meets in the morning. This time, in the morning describes the verb meets, telling when the class meets. So it is an adverb phrase. Same phrase, two different jobs, decided entirely by the word it describes. Let's boil the whole lesson into a quick check. Step 1, spot the prepositional phrase. Step 2, find the one word it describes. If that word is a noun or a pronoun, you have an adjective phrase. If that word is a verb, an adjective, or an adverb, you have an adverb phrase. Phrase first, then the word it modifies. Ready to practice a few together? In this first set, read each sentence, find the prepositional phrase, and decide whether it is an adjective phrase or an adverb phrase. Ask what word the phrase describes. Pause the video and try each one on your own before I reveal the answer. The trail beside the river was muddy. Find the phrase, beside the river. What does it describe? The noun trail, telling which trail. Because it describes a noun, it is an adjective phrase. So the answer is adjective phrase. Our guests arrived after lunch. The phrase is after lunch. What does it describe? The verb arrived, telling when they arrived. Because it describes a verb, it is an adverb phrase. So the answer is adverb phrase. The girl with the red umbrella waved. Here's the phrase, with the red umbrella. What does it describe? The noun girl, telling which girl. Because it describes a noun, it is an adjective phrase. So the answer is adjective phrase. In this second set, each sentence has a prepositional phrase in it. Your job is to decide what the phrase describes. A noun, which makes it an adjective phrase, or a verb, which makes it an adverb phrase. Pause and decide before I answer. We hiked along the rocky ridge. The phrase is along the rocky ridge. What does it describe? It tells where we hiked, and hiked is the verb. So the phrase describes a verb. So the answer is a verb. The song on the old radio was cheerful. The phrase is on the old radio. What does it describe? The noun song, telling which song. So the phrase describes a noun. So the answer is a noun. She answered with great confidence. The phrase is with great confidence. What does it describe? It tells how she answered, and answered is the verb. So the phrase describes a verb. So the answer is a verb. Let's gather up what we learned. A whole prepositional phrase can do the job of a single describing word. When the phrase describes a noun or a pronoun, telling which one or what kind, it is an adjective phrase. When the phrase describes a verb, an adjective, or an adverb, telling when, where, or how, it is an adverb phrase. Find the phrase, ask what word it describes, and let that word decide. Wonderful work today in Unit 6, Lesson 40. I'll see you in the next lesson.